Hey YouTube, hey Georgia Bigfoot here in lovely Hawaii, specifically Honolulu Bay, Kauai. And I flew into Lihu Airport last night and went to the Target nearby because when I travel, I like to make my own ranch dressing because I like to really try and control my sodium as much as I can. You make your own ranch dressing, you can normally get your sodium down about 60 milligrams of sodium per ounce. Whereas like Hidden Valley, like the pre-made ranch would be about 270 an ounce. And what this video really is about is not about Hidden Valley ranch dressing or even about the Best Foods real mayonnaise, which I'm using, which is fantastic, which they had at Target, but this Knudsen brand Hampshire sour cream, which I've never had before, never seen it. Never seen this for sale anywhere, and it was at Target on Kauai, the island of Kauai. Super thick sour cream. Incredible as it is off the spoon. Super rich, low sodium, 10 milligrams of sodium per 2 tablespoons, which is an ounce. Very low carb, 1 carb, and only 1 sugar, but the key is no added sugar. What I do is I mix a little bit of this with a little bit of this, half and half, 1-to-1 ratio. And then I add just enough seasoning to taste. And normally I do my seasoning with a scale, but I don't have my scale with me. I didn't want to be traveling through the airport with a food scale and have people be like, security be like, what are you doing with a food scale? Add a little bit of water to thin it out. And it's so good. And I attribute it to this Knudsen flavor, because normally I make my dressing with Blue Plate, and I believe Blue Plate and Best Foods are in cahoots with each other. And then my sour cream, I normally use Daisy, but I'm gonna start trying to find this Knudsen if I can when we're back in Georgia. Anyway, I'm gonna transfer this to a smaller little container, and I'm gonna take it with me when we go to lunch here in a moment. And that way I know when I have a salad, you know, with some proteins, I can put a dressing on it that I know is low carb and that I know is low sodium at the same time. And I just wanted to give a shout out to these guys right here, because this is good stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. And by the way, here's our view out the window. That little peak out there, that's the lovely Bali High that they talk about in the movie South Pacific from 1958. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all make it a great day.